So here's the business model. You're making money while you sleep. You do not have to have a product. You don't have to have your own website. You don't have to deal with customer service or refunds. You don't have to make your own sales funnel. You don't have to design your own product. All you are is a middleman bringing customers to a product, and then you get to keep 50%. This is called high ticket affiliate marketing. Stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can do it for yourself. Okay, so why high ticket affiliate marketing is where it's at. If you are inherently lazy like me or an introvert like me, but you also have the dream of becoming free from your 9-to-5 job so that you can live a life that is more than someone else telling you when you have to wake up, where you have to drive to, when you can take a break and for how long, when you can eat lunch, when you can go home, and how much your time is worth, then affiliate marketing is where it's at and it's for you. Specifically, high ticket affiliate marketing. The difference between high and low ticket affiliate marketing is the commission. You can get a $1 commission on a $10 sale from Amazon, but you will need 1,000 sales per week minimum to make any money. With high ticket affiliate marketing, you sell one $2,000 product with a 50% commission, and bam, you made $1,000 in one sale. All you need to be able to quit your job is 10 sales per month rather than 10,000. Okay, so where do you start? First, you gotta pick a niche. What are you interested in or an expert at? Because if you don't care about it or you're not good at it, then you're gonna get bored. Next, ask, is it evergreen? Meaning, is it something that will always be in demand, or is it a passing fad or trend? For example, evergreen niches include anything to do with health, wealth, relationships, and happiness. Those are always things that will be in demand. Then niche down. Natural health is more specific, but keep going. Natural mental health is more specific still, but niche down one more time. Natural mental health from mushrooms. This is a good niche. It's evergreen. People will always want good mental health, and it's specific, but not so specific that you won't have enough different material to make content from. You could talk about your favorite mushroom supplements. You could talk about all the different kinds of medicinal mushrooms. You could talk about foraging for mushrooms. You could get into the science of each kind of mushroom and what it does for different parts of your body. You could get into the geography of where they grow or how to cook them in food. You could get into the psychedelic mushrooms. So there's all different types of things you can do with that, but it's also very specific. So now that you have some ideas for the content you're gonna create, start writing up some scripts or articles. I recommend having at least 5 articles or video scripts written up before you post anything, because then you have a backlog of stuff to pull from in case you get stuck or you need a break. Okay, so which platform should you create content on first? First, make a YouTube channel. Highly recommend that. And before you get nervous, you don't have to show your face. Although it is easier and works well, you don't have to show your face. So just start with making a video on your smartphone or with the webcam on your laptop. I started with my laptop. I downloaded a screen recording app called Screen Recorder, and my niche is specifically doing reviews of courses teaching you how to make money online. So in my first videos I would do a ton of research to find out the good and the bad about these courses. Then I would write up a script, and then I would go to the sales page of the course I was going to talk about. The screen recording app has an option for you to have your face in the corner of the screen so that people can see you talking as well as the screen you are recording at the same time. And that's how I would record my videos. It was free and easy. I would talk about what was included in the course, the pros and the cons, go over the cost, show student reviews, and then give my opinion at the end if it was a course worth investing in. And you can go look and see back in my YouTube videos at those old videos I posted. They are really bad, but it gives you a good idea of where I started from. And then I would post it on YouTube and ask people to like and subscribe if they wanted to see more. And I've just built it up since then, and you can do the exact same thing. It's incredibly easy. Okay, so the next thing is pick an affiliate program or several. So after you've got some content cooking, now you need to know how to make some money from it. There are 2 main ways to do this. One is from YouTube monetization, and in order to have this, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Then YouTube will let you monetize your channel, meaning every time someone watches your video, you get paid from letting other businesses on YouTube show their ads during your video. This is completely passive income, and it's how a lot of YouTubers such as Mr. Beast make millions of dollars per month. The other way to make money is through affiliate marketing, meaning you place your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube videos, and every time someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. In order to get that link, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. All of the evergreen niches have businesses that have affiliate programs. You can literally just go to Google and type the name of the company or product you want to work with, and then type affiliate program after it. Then you sign up and they will give you a link to promote their product. Every time someone watches your video, clicks on the link to buy the course, you make 50% commission of the sale of that product. So let's say the course costs $200 They buy it through your link, you make $100. You didn't have to design the product. You didn't have to worry about customer service. You didn't have to worry about a refund, or if your customers were happy, you didn't have to design a website. You literally just brought a customer to a product and you get 50%. And in my personal opinion, from years of experience, my all-time favorite affiliate program is through a course and program called APPS, or Automated Profit Partners System. It was created by Ron Douglas, who is a colleague of mine now. You can see an interview I did with him on my YouTube channel about being his top affiliate. And I actually started out with his course and his affiliate program, which has got me where I am at today. The reason APPS is my favorite is because most extremely high quality, high ticket affiliate programs you have to buy into. So for example, there's an affiliate program called Oasis that costs $5,000 to get access to. And you also have to have like 100,000 monthly visitors to your website and all this stuff. So you already have to be pretty good. And then you get access to their list of high ticket products. APPS is similar. Instead of just getting access to their high quality products, you also get all of their sales webinars, you get all of their email copies, you get access to their private Facebook group where you can ask other members and Ron himself questions and get answers. And you get a complete training program on how to start your affiliate marketing business. Plus, you get 40 to 50% commissions on all of his products, and there are currently 19 of them. And they are all priced from $600 to $2,000, meaning your commission for selling just one is $300 to $1,000 for one sale. You would have to get 1,000 of those on Amazon. And they are easy to promote because they are all vetted by Ron himself and are extremely high quality. So even if you only got one sale a week, you would earn an extra $4,000 a month. Could that change your life? Because it did mine. Okay, so the next thing after that is you scale your business. So now that you have a niche and some content, an affiliate program, it's time to scale so that you can go from making one sale per week to 10. Would $40,000 a month change your life? Because to do this is actually pretty easy. You don't have to create 10 times the amount of content. You just have to repurpose your content onto other platforms. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, a website, Spotify podcasts, Twitter, Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn. I mean, that's 12 more platforms right there. You can put your content on to 12x your sales. So take that same video you just made on YouTube and edit it to 60 seconds. You just made a YouTube short. Take that same YouTube short and post it on TikTok. Take that TikTok and post it on Instagram Reels. Take the audio from that video and post it on a podcast. Then take the long version of the video and post it on Facebook, Instagram feed, Twitter, Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn, and Spotify. You just took one video and turned it into 12 pieces of content across different platforms. And that's how you scale. It's easy. Then all you have to do is place your link somewhere on each of those posts and you just 12x your sales. Then you could even go one step further than that and take that video that you just turned into 12 pieces of content and turn it into a written article. Then you could post that written article across all of those platforms as well. Now you just 12x your content again from one single video. Okay, so now that you have made something like 20 pieces of content from one video, let's talk about consistency. You gotta make another video each week and do the same thing. You need to stay consistent and these platforms will start to take notice. You will start to build a following and have subscribers. You'll be able to monetize. Google and YouTube will take notice and they will regard you as an authority on the subject and they will start to show your content to more and more people. Continue to do this and you will go viral in no time and bam, you are free to quit your job and do whatever the F you want because you don't have to wake up at a certain time every day to the sound of an alarm clock. You can wake up at 10 a.m. on a beach if you want. You can wake up with your kids and make them breakfast. You can wake up to your hot wife or husband and tell them to quit their job now because you got this. I hope you enjoyed this video with Get Free with Annie. If you want to see more like it, click like and subscribe. And if you want to know how I got to this point with the course that I recommend most, click the link in my description or comments below.